In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hard refresh in Google Chrome. If a web page is not showing the latest version or something on the site seems stuck, a hard refresh can often fix the problem right away. Unlike a normal refresh, which may load some stored content from your browser's cache, a hard refresh tells Chrome to reload the page more completely so you can see the most up-to-date version available. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the web page you want to refresh. Make sure the page is fully visible and selected, because the keyboard shortcut needs to be sent to the active Chrome window. This is a quick process, but it helps to pause for a second and confirm you're on the correct tab before continuing. Once Chrome is open and you're on the page you want to update, you're ready to perform the hard refresh. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. This keyboard shortcut tells Chrome to refresh the page and pull in a newer version of the content, instead of relying on what may already be stored in the browser. After you press Ctrl plus F5, the page will refresh. You may notice the screen reload, and depending on the website and your internet speed, it may take a moment for everything to appear again. That's completely normal. When the page finishes loading, you should be seeing the latest available version of that web page. This can be especially helpful if a website update isn't showing up, if images or styles look outdated, or if a page seems broken after recent changes. A hard refresh is one of the simplest troubleshooting steps you can try, and it's often effective without needing to close the browser or clear all browsing data. If the page still doesn't look right after the refresh, you can try pressing Ctrl plus F5 one more time to make sure the reload completes properly. In many cases, though, a single hard refresh is all you need. That's it. Open Chrome, press Ctrl plus F5, and the page will refresh more thoroughly. It's a fast and useful shortcut to remember whenever a site doesn't seem to be updating correctly.